how to transfer money from Philippines to Canada. Now, we will use Wise, and if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. Now, first of all, open your Wise account and tap on Send Money. Now, select your destination currency. In this case, it will be the Philippines currency. Now, type it in the search, as you can see. Now, after you select it, now select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the Canada dollar, as you can see. So, after you select it, now you can type how much you want to transfer. For example, $1,000. And as you can see, this is how much your recipient will receive. Now, after that, tap on Pay With. And as you can see, select the payment method. For this example, it will be the bank account. Now, after that, tap on Add Recipient. And now you can select the interact. As you can see, if you select the interact, tap on someone else and provide the full name of the account holder and interact registered email. And after that, click on Continue. And your recipient will receive that money on their interact account. Now, if you select the bank, as you can see, bank details, now select someone else and provide their email, full name, institution number, transit number, and account number, and click on Continue, and your recipient will receive that money on their bank account. And this is how to transfer money from Philippines to Canada. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.